first have support for ordering building on multiple layers without validating the layers underneath. So for example, previously I wouldn't be able to build a wall on top of the built floor, but now I can. I can order building a wall here. Though I must also add another validation for the task. And we have now 2 tasks.
Oi, hey,
So
Software CDN. Hey, my man. People are waiting on link. Greenish pepper. Yeah, hey, I see. Hey, Askas. Yeah, it's difficult to post the link every time. Like, it's so like, I want to also see what he's saying, because if he's like communicating with me, right, I would like to answer. I don't like rating and then I'm like shutting up, right? I don't say anything. I hate that. Yeah.
Link.
Yes. Kaboom! Why did you switch to YouTube from Twitch?
Why is it stuck?
Well, first of all, Twitch does not allow to multi-stream. And second of all,
How did I make it
Twitch. This is a YouTube only thing where I want to have everything on YouTube, because it will never go away on YouTube. On Twitch, shit's gonna go away.
Try to repeat this action.
You know, which sucks. Then I have to make sure that I get my recordings. I save my recordings. I'm pretty sure I have a bunch of recordings from past broadcasts that I have not saved yet. I need to save them on YouTube. Okay, you're working on the same game? No, I'm working on a different game here. Like, I don't know how many I have saved, but I'm gonna lose a couple of them in a couple of days. Except for the highlights, which have been created November 11th, November 17th, November 19th. Enemy flocking. Yeah, see, November 26th, November 23rd, I'm actually losing these, so I should probably do a bunch of exports. To YouTube, and then I need to do November 21.
Sieht gut aus,
2022.
Herr Schumann, wie immer, und Keks hübscher Haarschnitt.
Thank you. Private, right? I'm exporting these to YouTube, and so yeah. Danke. Right, I have not done this in a long time. I should probably start doing that again. This is the bad thing about Twitch. These things don't stay there, they go away. Wait, didn't I export 24 with 23 right just now? Yeah. Oh, and oh no, this was 25. Text wrapping, that's a highlight. Which does not need to be saved, because highlights are saved indefinitely, thankfully. Yeah, but I'm not doing this on stream right now. I'm not here to basically do my Twitch work, right? But yeah, I have to. Let's do this entire page. Okay, this another highlight. Yeah, but here we are working on Vampire Survivors. Yeah. I wish there was an auto export for every stream I do. So I don't lose my streams. Because it's literally wasted time. If you think in terms of content creation. It literally is. Oh my god. I can't really deal with this keyboard. How many do I have left? Let's just keep this open and then do December 1 and do that later. Okay. Now what are we working on here? We are working on a Vampire Survivors clone, and today I want to make a main menu. And I think I can do a main menu quite quickly. In case you don't know what a Vampire Survivors clone is, you should record your Twitch streams with OBS. Download them all. Well, I can't, because my OBS crashed a lot when I did that. I would do it if I could, but yeah, I can't. Yeah, my computer is just old. Even MMO has a way to back up his Twitch streams and Twitch chat. How, Jaden? Can you ask him how, or can you tell me how? Is this some sort of script? I've never streamed and recorded at the same time, only recorded. Yeah, recording is easy. I do a bunch of recordings. But streaming, yeah. Oh man, they're being pushed to me. God, this game is fun. Like the first waves are very fun. Not gonna lie. It's good seeing things happen on the couch, then different things happening in the game. This makes way more sense than the C++ Vulkan engine stream I watch. Oh, is this is the person that's doing that, is he called Wobble, or what is he called? Something W? Does he start with W? I think I've seen his streams. Carlo Wood. Yeah, Carlo Wood, yeah. He's also streaming daily, right? Did he talk about how much he's earning from YouTube by streaming? Has he ever talked about that? He's Dutch and has been doing C++ for 28 years. He gets 0? He gets 0. Why does he get 0? He does it all for free. but he has enough views and enough subscribers to be monetized. Like, I mean by YouTube, not that you pay him to watch. Like, anyone can watch him, but like YouTube is paying him because he gets views on his videos. That's like a normal thing. He does? Well, that's usually how YouTube works. Okay, this is boring because I cannot die anymore. But I don't know. I wonder if he talked about it before. Because I would like to know, like, what are my options as a content creator? Because that's what I'm doing, right? I'm creating content for other people to watch. I'll ask him that next time. Yeah, would be nice if, like, what YouTube gives him for his videos and for his streams. Like, would be a cool thing to know for me. Got to go. Have a good stream. Yeah, my man. Thank you for joining. Yeah, we're going to work on a main menu today. Game data. Game stage. We need a main menu. For Coda, I thought you switched completely to VS Code. No, I always use for Coda, Jaden. I've been using for Coda like for half a year now, I think. Almost. For a very long time, at least. Okay, let's just add that here and then in the game switch on game state. Base game state main menu. I wonder how he got the picture. Where did he put? Not here, right? Is it in Showcase? Executable. Yeah, that one. How did he get the main menu? This one. Where did he get that image from? Did he draw that himself? I think he did. Maybe? It looks so cool. Should I use for Coda? Can I still use a mouse and not have the weird movement you have? I'm casual. Don't use for Coda. You're not going to like it. Don't do it. It's very special for me, and even I sometimes think that I should use something else. But I'm happy, actually. I wouldn't use for Coda if I were you. Like, it's basically almost no mouse at all. And since you're saying you're casual, like, it's a toy. That's good art. It's detailed, but also still pixely like the game. I wonder where he got that. Maybe he did this himself. I'd rather use NeoVim since it literally just works with even only a terminal or SSH screen. Yeah, what language are you coding in, Asen? Let's first start by making a different menu type, right? Here. We have this menu, we can now make another one. Wait, there's more space here, we could use that. I'm not good with trying to make... How did he make that? It looks so cool. Did he just scale an image? Maybe an AI generated prompt. Are you going to release the game on Steam? It's open source. Anyone can look at it. Just have to look at the link in the description. I don't plan on releasing it, I think. I just want to show that it's possible to make a game in C++ and that it doesn't take that long to make. Man standing partially silhouetted in foggy woods. Post-vampire apocalyptic to Reese, bright influence. Open source doesn't mean you can't sell it on Steam though. Right? We'll see, really. I don't know. Sliced menu 1, sliced menu 2. Where is it located? 1896. You could also put it for free to start promoting your name in the game industry on Steam. I'm already doing that with my game. I have a game on Steam that is currently has a demo version available. But it's currently in a stage where I don't want to advertise it too much because it's not done yet. I'm currently working on making it much better. I'm currently making a big UI rework on this game. Like this over here, stuff like that. So it's not really advertisable yet. Not advertisable yet. Soon. So. Soon. Couple more weeks, hopefully. I wanna go on Kickstarter. You should see Python's match statement. It is switch statement on steroids. And you also have to invest money to put it on Steam. So I will only do that if there's enough people asking for it and also wanting me to finish it. No, I hope that what I'm doing here, draw sliced sprite. Inspires to make the same. Inspires people to make the same, or to do the same. I would pay up to $10 for this. You think? I don't think it's worth $10. Not even close. Like you literally have Currently in the game, there is 2 minutes of fun. If you play all the heroes, there's about 2 minutes of fun until the game is ended. And there's no real cycle yet. Oh, my developer, hello there. Good morning. Two minutes of fun? Yeah. In Vampire Survivors, in this game. My game has about... up to an hour of fun? Maybe 2 hours? I'm currently trying to make it so that you have way more fun. Or you can have way more fun for longer. I'm adding items to the game that can drop and you can buy. And then I have to work on how I can re-roll items in the inventory or in the shop. 6 minutes of fun. I've seen the YouTube incident. Yeah, it wasn't even 6 minutes. He lost fun after 2 minutes, bro. Let me see your game. My game. Or Vampire Survivors. Damn, lasting 2 minutes is still pretty good though, isn't it? No. No. It needs to last much longer. I can show you my game. $300, $150. Then we have the play button, which is the sprite, and then draw text. Play. Add buttons, position. Okay, what am I missing? Oh yeah, I'm missing a semicolon here. And then a semicolon before break. Yeah. Okay, and we should start in the main menu from now on. You wanna see my game? I mean, I could show you a bit, but I'm currently reworking it. I'm currently trying to make it better, so I don't really know what to show. Because so many things will change. And so it feels like obsolete to talk about them. But yeah, in my game you have this main menu and then well, the only thing you can actually do is play. There are no, well, I mean, you can do options, you can change a couple of options. Boosting should be on actually. And we have a couple of options, but not that many. And this button is something I'll rework as well. Yeah, and then when you play, if you have never played the game, you get thrown into a mission immediately where you can basically place your hero. And you don't see it yet, but it's telling you to start the round by pressing this button. And then the game begins. And it's a tower defense game. Now, I wonder if the characters of Chronicon have a dark outline. They do. Interesting. Very interesting to think about that. Yeah, and so I'm currently working on a system where this number over here matters. The more gold you have, the better your units will be.
Chronicon this, Chronicon that, always Chronicon.
Shut the fuck up, that's not true. Hi, YouTube stream, nice. Okay, bro, you're lying. So I dropped an item, and I'm currently working on an item shop. Okay, so this is like literally not even close to what I want it to be. I'm currently like deep in the works. Yeah. And so, ignoring the item system because it doesn't do anything, you can skill your heroes. Do you need a company to sell a game on Steam? No, I think you do, yes. You need to be like a Kleinunternehmer in Germany. You have to have like some form of company. Yeah. But again, I don't want to advertise my game currently because it's not done. Or it's not close enough to the point where I say, okay, I want to talk about it. And you can see as I'm spending gold, you can see it very well, but there's a gold button down here. It's decreasing gold. And so these items that you can buy in the shop, they will also cost gold. No joke, I have to admit, I see you stream more often on YouTube than on Twitch. Maybe it's because I'm chilling on YouTube all the time. Dude. I don't know. YouTube, I am not a big fan of YouTube, but you never know in the future. At least you tune in. I appreciate that. Yeah, anyways, that's my game. There's more levels to play. This level is a little bit too difficult for many people. And yeah. I'm currently trying to make the game accessible but also difficult, which is not easy to do with the skills and the stuff that I currently have. Yeah. Anyways, but that's my game. That's not the game that we are working on right now. Game is very successful and it has a bunch of repeating textures. Interesting. But doesn't need to be perfectly drawn to be successful. Very interesting. Balancing and gameplay loops are the most difficult parts of designing a game. Do you know C#? Yeah, a little bit. Remember when you could only place in certain places? I remember. Yeah, do you think the change was good, Aizen? You think that change was good? I still have the placement slots in the game. They still exist.
It was a game changer, get it?
Yeah, I get it. Mm. Oh no, not this again. Oh no. So, I don't think I can program on this anymore, guys. I think I'm done. I think I'm actually done with OpenGL at this point. Can anyone tell me what the issue is right now? Because I'm literally done. Maybe I'm accidentally did something wrong. Size 16 by 16. What's your favorite game? Gothic 1 and 2. These are very old games. German games. I'm wondering if I should pursue certifications to help with getting a web development job. Certs are very helpful and having a portfolio. Did you scale by fraction again somewhere? No, I'm scaling by 2. The sliced sprite is a scale factor of 2. I wanna try something. Okay, so it's the sliced sprite. It's not the sprite. Okay, I'm not done with OpenGL. It's the sliced sprite. Okay, we can fix that. Let's see, where is the issue? It seems like the last part is not correct. The right part and the bottom part. Maybe that should be 11. Row, 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 row. Row, 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 row. Yeah? Yeah, 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 yeah. Hello there, bro. Row, 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 row. Why is the content not the same in Twitch on YouTube? Because YouTube is a different thing, bro. Okay, works. Thank God. And since the L is so terrible, I call it start. How much left until the clone is done?
Cringy, cringy, cringy.
Is the button actually in the middle? Do I have to put out my... Do I have to put this out? Do I have to look at it with this? So we have 19.5 here. And it's 16.5 to the right. It's not in the middle. Like it's 16.5 to the right and 19.5 on the left. Why is it not in the middle? That is the question. That needs answering. What's your favorite movie? Whew. Star Wars or Lord of the Rings? One of the two. typical gamer. I go with one of the two. Guys, we need an image.
Why don't you stream on both Twitch and YouTube?
I'm not allowed. I'm not allowed to do that. Because I get money from Twitch. Why is this website so big? What did I do? Go premium? 3 pixel art images. Oh my god. I think rather than using pixel art conflicts the game art, using something looking fantasy art. Oh, Twitch pays you? Yeah, of course. I'm a Twitch affiliate. I have over 50 concurrent viewers on Twitch mostly. And when you grow to that size, oftentimes you get money from Twitch. Yes. But I don't get money from Twitch to stream there, but I get money from Twitch because people support me. It's not because because Twitch inherently gives me money. They don't. They don't pay me shit. Would be nice if they did, but they don't. I need to grow first. I need to be bigger. If you're an affiliate, you can get subs and so on, yeah. I'm not logging in. Let's just get this image. Try to make it work. Ah, it's so desaturated. Do you know Danny? Is he a YouTuber that made a lot of devlogs about games, had like millions and millions of views? Is like the big dick YouTuber? Yes. Yeah, I've seen a couple of his videos. Guys, I'm using this. I can't be bothered to create my own for this. It would literally take me ages. I spent all my time working on my game. I don't want to make another game by like 100% thing. So we'll use that as a main image. It's 400, 600 per 400. It's supposed to be free. If it's not, then we choose another image. But there's no point in making a background image right now. It serves no real purpose other than art. And I'm not an art streamer. We forgive you, yeah. I can confirm it's free on Edge. Okay, good. Can you give me the link, Jaden, to the image from Itch? Can you actually give me the link to that?
No.
Please. Fuck you, coffee lover. I will just send it to you on Discord or something like that, yeah. But what do you mean, Omar developer? What is up with Danny? What are you trying to tell me? Send it somewhere in arts or something. I just want to say to you that he exists.
No use Cakez, please.
Plot twist, yeah. No, I don't know, he seems to be a very smart person when it comes to game development. Or like, maybe not finishing games or polishing games, but he's making his own games and he's much younger than me. It's very cool to see. It's like he must have been making games his entire life. For a long time. He's been making many games. And then he just made a YouTube out of it and it popped off. Cause the things he did were very cool. And I think it's very inspiring to see that. Do you D? Could it be idea to retrieve assets by name instead of using an enum so that you can load the assets from the folder automatically and get them based on their name without the extension? No, because then I have them in files, in different files, and I want them in one file. These are all in one file. I'm literally making all my assets in this one file and I'm loading this one file. And the way I know which one of these textures to use is by offset and size. So for example, this blue crystal, I get that from the position 96, 128. And I know that it's the size of 16 by 16 because I've drawn it myself.
I'm looking on it right now in my assets folder and couldn't find that specific wallpaper.
Okay, then HIO. Just get one from HIO. I thought you had the link to the HIO page, which would have made it much easier. Oh, look at that, Indiedev Parallax kit. Oh, I know this person. I know who made that. Anyone of you knows who made that? I know. A couple of people yoinked that. Very cool. I don't want to spend too much time. I just want to have one image. It's fine. We'll keep the image. I don't care. It's okay. It's not... No, I don't like it. Look at this. I don't like it. Needs to be a real image. Not a parallax one. Can I try to make that screen? Can I try to make that screen? You wanna try to make that screen? Of course you can. Sure. I'm gonna use this for now, but sure, of course. PNG. Oh god. Oh no. Can I open them all in A-Sprite? Okay, bro, that was a mistake. Oh, I can't be bothered with this. I can't. Just give me a damn image. There must be an itch.io tag somewhere. I can't be bothered. I can't. It's fine. If Haskas is making one, then who cares? We use this. We're literally wasting time. Placeholder. What's the game all about? Do you know Vampire Survivors? Do you know the game called Vampire Survivors? It's basically 416, 622. 24. And then it's 600 by 400, isn't it? 600 by 400. And I need to scale it by 3. I sent you Discord DM. Oh, now you have it. God damn it. Country slide. Zip. Why can't you just give me the image? Oh no. It's that too. Oh, great. Damn it. What is that supposed to be? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? Dude, I can't be bothered with this. I can't. Ah, okay. Ah! What's the music in the background? Pokemon. If you want, I can give you the playlist. It's from Spotify though. It's a bunch of free music that you can use in YouTube.
I'm happy to inform you that I just ate medallions of pork, wrapped in bacon, pan-fried in butter, with a self-made mushroom onion sauce and various sides. Hungry face, it was great.
Oh my god, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Damn, that sounds delicious as fuck. Very nice. $680, $640, $800.
I sent you the original source background layers in a zip on Discord. Sound good, super cool. Meanwhile, Cakez is a one recipe and the omega lol.
That is not true. Yes, I have been making the same recipe lately, but only because it was very delicious. 384. I have eaten a lot of bacon in the past, but do I have the screen size? Word size. Okay. Error. Bacon, put absolutely harem meme here. Float to int. Draw sprite cannot convert argument from iVec2 to vec2. Position size. What is in iVec2? Load to int. Draw sprite conversion. Huh? Discord? Wait, Discord? Wait, you're that quick? What? Holy shit! Holy shit! Dude! That's insane! That looks insane, bro! What the fuck? But it takes too long to color, right?
Have you ever considered using a different theme in your 4-coder?
Nah, I don't give a shit. I don't care about colors. I like the colors I have. Who cares? Green, blue, yellow, purple. As long as I can code. Wow! What the fuck, man? The fuck, bro? Bro! It's gonna take too long to color, right? Or maybe you can color it very, very, very fast. I'm using that. If yeah, but don't make it too big. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we can scale it down. Maybe big is good. What are you talking about? Why can I not use... What is it saying? Cannot convert float to int. Conversion from float to int. From float to int. Over here. Hä? I don't see it.
Real talent.
Yes,
Bagu.
take time to finish, but I do it. Dude, if it's too much work, please don't do it, okay? If it's too much of work, then please don't do that. Hey, look, Matheus Campos just subscribed. Hell yeah, welcome, bro. Cannot convert argument to. So it's talking about this. So I suppose screen size is an int and I have to do vec2. Ha. I need a pixel art animator for my project. Ask us, can you do pixel art? I need a pixel art animator for my project. Screen size is, yeah, was. Let's see how it looks. Cool. Doesn't draw anything. Oh yeah, I have not exported. Doesn't look too bad, eh? Doesn't look bad at all. Now, why is the button not in the middle? According to my measuring system here, it is 19.5 centimeters from the left part of the screen to 16.5 on the right part of the screen. If you can, it's paid contract. Look, look, Mr. Almeida didn't ask me, because he knows my art is not good enough. Sag. He didn't ask me, guys. Guys, he didn't ask me. He didn't ask me, guys. Man, no one ever asks me. Because it's not good enough, right? Not good enough, right? Should we ban Mr. Almeida? Toxic? He's toxic.
Cringy.
Oh, man. Is the box drawn in the correct size or positioned wrong? Oh boy. I have no idea. I'm positioning it in the middle of the screen. I think the draw sliced sprite is wrong. Oh. Yeah. Middle. Top left. Is middle minus size divided by 2. I do not understand anything. My English bad. Don't ban me. Or make text larger. Would make the start button smaller? Yeah, the start button will be smaller for sure. Definitely. You have already some projects on your hand, Cakes. I would rather see it being finished than robbing your time with other projects. Oh yeah, that sounds reasonable. True. Maybe I'm drawing the box too large.
Shout out to Elmida, he gifted me 6-month sub a while back.
No ban.
Nice reason, Relmido Omega lol.
Yeah.
Shout out to Elmida, he gifted me 6-month sub a while back too. Him 4 months in.
Smiley face. Should probably do a white sprite. Hey Haskas, if you don't know any English.
Ghibli and Zelda music goes hard.
Haskas, if you don't know any English, maybe you're trolling, but how do you understand the stream? So this is what's happening. I'm literally drawing a position.
Everyone that received a 6-month sub from me, just write me after it is finished. I'll give you another 6 months.
80% understand, writing answer in Google Translator. I see. So you're starting to understand English better. Very nice. So you're learning English. You're trying to learn English. Right? Very nice. Okay, let's put out that again over here and we check if it's actually in the middle. So that's 18 centimeters from the left and 18 centimeters from the right. Okay, so the red box is correct. The sliced box is not. And I suppose we need to fix the position of the sliced box now until it overlaps with the red box.
Was that a meat stick?
No, this is a lineal. We call that a lineal in German. It's maybe you can't see it, but can you see the numbers right here? Right? I have that from school still. I kept it. It's useful. I also have this. Also have this. You know these things, right?
That's a meat stick measuring device. Ruler? No, that's just a ruler, lol.
Ruler? What is a ruler? Okay. Well, I have these two things, okay? I can measure distances with these. That's what I need them for. And this thing just helped me understand that this is not in the middle. Okay, 18 centimeters on the left, 18 on the right. That's what we need to have. So the draw sliced sprite is wrong.
What is your length, if you don't mind me asking?
Well, I'm not gonna tell you, but it's above average, okay? Oh man. Oh, that's funny. Did all of you measure when you were younger? Lineal equals ruler in English, I see. Ruler is lineal in Sweden as well. Lineal in Sweden. Ah, you have the same word for ruler as we. I wonder where my girlfriend is. She's not been home. She should be home. Hopefully everything is alright. Maybe she visited her parents? So, literally the top left is middle minus size divided by 2.
Ich bin beim Stürmer, Herr Eising.
Okay, bro.
Mrelmida is fighting coffee_lava. Mrelmida won with 141 health left.
Top left is over
Mrelmida
there.
gains 10 experience.
99999.
It makes absolutely no sense. Why is top left so wrong? Let's make one from the middle. can't see it. It has to be drawn at the very end. It's in the middle here. Wait, what? What? Oh, I'm a dumbass. Oh, I'm a dumbass. Ah, I was moving the menu. Oh, maybe
should try Raylib next time.
Ah, okay. It was always correct. There was never an issue. Okay, cool. I should try Raylib? Is that a library for C++? Okay, so we now have a play button, and the start text of the play button is a little bit to the right, and we want to move that to the left, which means minus 50 pixels that we had before on the menu. And so now we need to make that button smaller. I say we do 80 pixels and 200.
Raylib has static library in one file you compile. Is very simple to use.
Silly Cakez.
I don't know, isn't what I have right here also very simple to use? Wouldn't you say that this is very simple to use? No, like really, like look at this. What do you think? That looks a lot better, yeah, right? Isn't that easy to use? Smiley face? No, really. Dude, imagine. Doesn't look centered top bottom. It's not supposed to be centered top bottom. It's supposed to have more buttons. Upgrades
Measure
and quit
the
game.
button with your meat stick measurer.
Okay, I can measure, but it should be fine. It should be okay. Yeah, so we have 19.4, 19.4, and then we have 19.4. It's literally in the middle. It's in the middle. And the reason why I'm not centering top to bottom is because I'm gonna make another button.
If I recall correctly, the center of the screen isn't always divided by 2. It's always offset by 100 in one direction.
He's
and
measuring his
50
meat.
in another.
Hey, look at this. Yeah, we have start and quit. And I'm gonna do another thing. Oh, I love UI work. I love working on UI. We're going to make another menu, which is menu 3. And then we move that down by 96 plus 16 is 112. And then we can do the following. We do that for both these buttons. If point in rect input mouse position, I think it's green, and then the rectangle is going to be the button's position.
I might
And the button
update
size.
my NeoVim today. Pop.
Right? Then we set the sprite ID. We set it to a sliced menu 3 and then we use the button sprite here. And then we do if key rest, key is pressed, is key pressed, key left mouse. We press the left mouse key, then we set the game state, or is it game state game?
How long did it take you to develop your graphics library? Sorry for interrupting.
It's fine. My graphics library, a year, 2 years, 1 or 2 years. Like, cause it constantly changes based on my needs, and it will never be finally done. No, root Asen, sorry. 65 minutes menu, how did the stream start? I think it's made quite quickly, just nothing that for later. Just noting that for later. Wow. 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 Rude. Wow. Insane. Yep. Coffee Lava, CS Teacup, everybody trying to change me. I'm resisting. Coffee Lava, I'm not toxic.
Sorry.
No, Jaden, to give you like a proper answer. You can make a graphics library quite quickly. Or your renderer. You can make a renderer quite quickly, especially in OpenGL. Like, it's very simple, very, very simple to draw a quad. Right? And you can just look at the code that we have here and literally take that code, read it, try to understand it, and then try to make your own. Right? Setting up OpenGL is not something that you're going to like need from the bottom of your heart, or know from the bottom of your heart. It's nice to like practice that and then do that, like Cakez was doing that the other day. But a graphics library or a renderer will always evolve with your needs. If you need to do normal map shadowing because you really want to focus on the details on certain areas, maybe you're making a spooky 2D game or 3D game, then you need to add that to your repertoire.
I tried using OpenGL in Python and I failed miserably.
Yeah, well, that's because Python, I don't know, like, dude, if you want to use OpenGL, get yourself a proper C++ tutorial and just take the code that I've written, inspect it, and then try to write it yourself, right? Even if you copy the code exactly, maybe you can change a couple of things and see what they do. Like, that's how I started. Like, but really, the reason why you probably failed in Python is because it abstracts so much away that you don't understand anything. But literally in C++, you have to get down into the nitty-gritty. You will be understanding it better, and then I think you're ready for Python and OpenGL. I think, like, again, might be wrong, but at least that's what happened to me.
I want to make a graphics library that has terminal support for 8-bit style graphics mode.
I don't know, I've never done that, but maybe you can start with a graphics library and then try to tune that to the 8-bit graphic style mode. I don't know exactly what that would mean. There are C# bindings for OpenGL that many seem to use. Hey, Changebox. How about that? Yeah. This YouTube channel is definitely worth investing into. I found out about Cakez only because of YouTube recommendations. It is. It is. I know that this is the path for me to go, which is why I'm also sitting here right now, and which is why I actually want to work on my new YouTube video today as well. And so if I get this menu done, which in my opinion this is already almost enough, maybe a big logo. The rest is Cakez is recommended. Hey! Oops. It closed the application immediately. Okay, it works. Okay, cool. It's 1 frame delay, but who cares? We can start and quit.
Cakez, don't forget about us when you get big Strone egg.
Of course not. What the fuck? Of course not. What the fuck? Also, yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do this year. I have a lot of stuff to do. I don't wanna be living without money for much longer. I need to change something. You know. Like, what I'm earning right now is not enough to keep us afloat. So I have to change something. Okay, and I don't want to keep talking about it, because that fucking sucks. I don't think it's something I should keep talking about. I should just do something. But it's just currently, it's a big thing. That I have to overcome. I seriously would have never known if you're not on YouTube, bro. Seriously, mate. Bronze aside, if YouTube would solve the crappy chat functionality, discrepancy between Twitch and YouTube, YouTube would really be really good alternative. Yeah, the chat is an issue, and making bots for the chat is more difficult than for Twitch. And the function, definitely like the chat interaction. So what is this game about? This game right here is Vampire Survivors. Let me fix the problem and I can see. Game. State, select hero. Press the mouse button. Wait, is that... Am I breaking if we are in select hero? I only have 2 init games. And it sets this to main menu. Why is it going back? Can someone explain to me why it's going back? To this... Eh? I'm in main menu. I think I debugged this. Oh! I initialize... I need to keep check... let me see. Okay. Date ID is... Date. I see. Okay, let's do it like this. That should work. Okay, this game is about surviving waves of enemies. And it's a concept taken from a popular game that I played, which is called Vampire Survivors. You basically have to run around and avoid these enemies and make sure they don't come close to you, while the enemies keep ramping on you. And every enemy you kill drops an HP crystal or a an XP crystal. And yeah, if they get too close, they kill you. And today we made a main menu. And I think we should be able to also press escape. But currently there's no way to press escape out of this menu. Yeah. Yep, come on. Oh, where's the green crystal? It's more damage. There's a green crystal. Boom, 50 XP.
Magic Survival is best mobile game, not gonna lie.
Magic Survival? Yeah, I think this game was inspired by Magic Survival. As far as I heard. Yeah, and so currently I have that many enemies and that many waves.
It's other way around.
Did you fix the whole boss mob despawn thing? Yeah, what do you mean? Did I fix the your enemies spawning in a different position when I move outside the screen? Like for example, if I move here, they start moving. They start spawning at the top. Is that what you mean? And then if I move down, they start spawning down there again? Is that what you mean? Bro, Cakes, like why can't I see the previous chat on Twitch? Did someone chatted before me? Yeah, I did fix that. Yep. Okay, I think I'm happy today. There's no way to press escape. I don't know what should happen if you press escape, if there should be another state which says like the game is paused and then it draws a bunch of other stuff. But for now we have a main menu. Magic Survivors is better than most other mobile games. 100% make a menu, but okay, but we'll do that tomorrow. I think I'm happy with what I did today. It's not much progress, but it is a little bit progress. We have a main menu. Right, and if I die, the main menu appears again. Yeah. Bro, answer me, Cakes. What do you mean? Why can't I see the previous chat on Twitch? I don't know. Which previous chat are you talking about? Like, this is the mixed chat. The mixed chat you can see here is Twitch and YouTube. And if you can't see the previous chat on Twitch, that's because Twitch only shows you what happened when you joined. Yeah. Can you create a playlist for Vampire Survivors C++ on YouTube? You want me to create a playlist? I mean, you could. Can you just recently uploaded? We could. Is that a bug that enemies render above the progress bar? Do they render above the progress bar? No, they render behind. Which bar are we talking about? Also, your A-Sprite compilation tutorial is very nice. Hey, thank you, Beast Infinity. I hope it helps. So many people have problems with that. Like, it sometimes is a bit overwhelming, not gonna lie. Thinking like I'm already explaining it as best I can.
Did you study computer science at university? Or are you self-taught?
I studied computer science, yeah. But I'm a self-taught game developer. This is not what computer science in university taught me. Nothing. Like, I taught all of that to myself. A generic computer science course on university will not teach you this. You have to specifically choose game development. And maybe even then it doesn't teach you all of that, but it should. You are going to make a game when you choose game development. In computer science, you're more focused on...
I plan on going to boot camp because theoretical stuff is too time consuming and not practical.
It depends. I believe in practicals more than... I believe in practicals more than... The bug shows up in the level up window. Oh, I see. Let me try that then. We could fix that real quick. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, I'm drawing the XP bar and then I draw the enemies. I could draw the enemies first and then the XP bar. Yeah, okay, fixed. Okay. You happy? Simple, eh? When you have a good program. Very nice. See how easy that fix was? Ah, good ad. Easy fix, lol, yep. Oh, man. Git commit. Edit a main menu. Buggies.
Bye 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 bye.
Git push. Yeah, so if anyone wants to try out the game or wants to fiddle around with the code, in the description is a link to the GitHub repository. I don't have a tutorial written for that yet on how to install it properly or build it properly, but I will make one tomorrow. I will make one tomorrow. Okay. I think we're getting to a point where many people want to try it or maybe fiddle around with the code. There's already one person who made his own game. This guy right here. Very poggies. So tomorrow I will make a small tutorial for that. Write down what you have to do. But yeah, now I'm going to take a break and then work on a YouTube video that hopefully gets posted by the end of next week. Guys, why don't you use Sea Lion? I like for Coda. It's clean and simple. It doesn't have many features, and therefore it doesn't. I don't need to learn much. So yeah, simple. I like less things, not more things. So yeah, guys, hope you have a great day. Hope you have a nice Sunday, and I'll see you tomorrow.